Myself, Ishwarappa DC. We are into manufacturing oil and gas irrigation valves and process control valves. The Creintors Teknosol has supplied this kind of hydro pressures for our applications. We are checking the valves in this test rig 100 psi to 15,000 psi. We purchased from 40 ton to 800 ton hydro pressers from the Creintors Teknosol. They are good machine manufacturer in this field actually, especially in the hydro press benches. Manufacturing these valves in the Belgaum facility. Okay, we are satisfied with this all hydro pressers what they are given. The service support and other technical support, everything is given by the Creintors Teknosol is very good. We have purchased some of the machines in 1990. Still we are using after 30 years plus. All the machines are working fine. Purchase the machines and we put it in the machines and check now. The cycle time is very less actually. Okay, it can reduce the cycle time. More valve we can test, save the time. That is the main advantages of this using these machines. See here everything is automated and PLC and SCADA, everything is tabulated and they will print the report also. See, user rating is very good as I told. Okay, 10 out of 10 or 9 I can rate.